Good morning students. Today we see practice set 5.2, but it is depend on this formula, expansion of a plus b bracket q. So we see how to expand a plus b bracket q. We know that a plus b bracket q, that means this bracket multiplying 3 times itself. So we write down a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Again I write here a plus b bracket a plus b bracket square. And we know this formula in the previous video. A plus b, a square plus twice ab plus b square. So this bracket multiplied to this whole bracket. So first a multiplied to this bracket and then b multiplied to this bracket. A in bracket a square plus twice ab plus b square plus b in bracket, again this bracket multiplying to b, a square plus twice ab plus b square. Then multiplying with a into a square, a into a means a cube plus a twice a square, a into twice ab means 2a square b plus a into b square means a b square. We can write, change the places. B into a square b plus b into 2ab 2ab square plus b into b square b cube. Now we write these values are both whose are same, a cube, a square with a square. We write close these terms twice a square b plus a square b. So we can directly add because the variable are same. So we directly write down. Here is nothing but coefficient means 1. A square b, 2 plus 1, 3. 3a square b plus twice a square b and twice ab square and 1ab square means thrice ab square plus b cube. Again we write this step. Also you can use this expansion of this formula, and again we can write down the common 3ab plus a plus b in bracket thrice ab. Here a is common, here b is common. In the bracket only remaining a plus b, 3 also common, plus b cube. So this is the expansion of a plus b bracket cube. This is the most useful formula. So you learn this formula very well. Now we start practice set 5.2. Question number 1, expand. Example number 1, k plus 4 bracket cube. So by using our formula, you write down the formula in each example by using a plus b bracket cube equal to a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. You can write down this formula also. So here a means k, b means 4. Write down, keep the values, k cube plus thrice k square into b plus thrice k into b square plus 4 b cube. K cube plus 4 3s are 12 k square plus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3 48 k plus 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. This is the expansion of our given bracket. Next, Second example is 7x plus 8y bracket cube. So again by using this formula, a plus b bracket cube equal to a cube thrice a square b plus thrice b ab square plus b cube. Here a means 7x and b means 8y. These values keep in our formula and solve. 7x bracket cube plus thrice 7x bracket square into 8y plus thrice 7x into 8y square plus 8y bracket cube. Then what is this cube of 7? 343 x cube plus 3 into 7 square is 49, x square is x square into 8y plus 7 is 21x into 8 square is 64y square plus what is the 8 cube? 512y cube. Then we solve these two terms, multiplication 343 x cube plus 49 into 3, 49 into 3, 9 3 is 27, carry 2, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2, 14 into 8, carry 5, 8 4 is 32, 32 and 5, 37, carry 3, 8 1 is 8, 11, 1176 x square y plus, then we solve 21 into 64, 64 into 21, 4, 6, then 4 2 is 64 into 21, then 4 1 is 4, 6 1 is 6, 0, 4 2 is 8, 12, 4, 14, 1344 xy square plus 512y cube. This is the expansion of our example. Understand, students? Start example number 4. Here is 52 bracket cube. We can find out 52 into 52 into 52. But we want here by using formula we have to solve 52's cube. So first we write down this 52 in the form of a plus b. We can write down 50 plus 2 bracket cube, and then by using our formula a plus b bracket cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Then here a equal to 50 and b equal to 2. So, what is our expansion? A cube plus thrice a square into b plus thrice a into b square plus b cube. 50's cube means 50 into 50 into 50. 5's cube is 125 and this 0's cube is 3 thrice 0. Plus 3 into 50 square means 25 and 2 0 into 2. So we write down 3 into 2 6 plus 5 is a 15 into 4 plus 2's cube 8. Then 1,25,000 plus 25 6 is a 150 and 2 0 plus 15 4 is 60 into 0 plus 8, and then we have to add all terms. Then we get 8 0 6 and then 5 plus 5 10, carry 1 2 1 3 and 4 and 1 means 1,40,608. This is our expansion of this 52's cube. Now we see next example, x plus 1 by x bracket cube. Again by using a plus b bracket cube. A cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Here a is x and b is 1 by x. Then put the values x cube plus thrice x square into 1 by x means b plus thrice into x into 1 by x square plus, because this is 1 by x square means 1 by x bracket square, 1 square is 1 and x square is x square, plus b cube means 1 by x cube, because 1 cube is 1. So we write down x cube plus 1x and 1x cancel. So here is thrice x plus again 1x and here x is cancel, 3 by x plus 1 by x cube. This is the expansion of given bracket. Example number 7. 2m plus 1 by 5 bracket cube. This is our A and this is our B. So by using A plus B bracket cube, our expansion is a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Here a is equal to twice m and b is equal to 1 by 5. Keep the values in our formula. A means twice m bracket cube plus 3 into twice m bracket square into b means 1 by 5 plus thrice a means twice m into 1 by 5 bracket square plus 1 by 5 bracket cube. Now we solve cubes. 2 cubes is 8, m cube is m cube plus 3 into 2's cube is 4. 4 into 3, 12 m square upon 5 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 1, 6 m upon 5 square is 25 plus 1 cube is 1, 5 cube is 5 5 is 25 and 25 5 is 125. Now not solve the next step, so this is our answer. Next example number 8. 5x by y plus y upon 5x bracket cube. So again by using our formula a plus b bracket cube equal to a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Values of a and b. Here a is equal to 5x upon y and b equal to y upon 5x. Keep the values in our formula. A cube 5x upon y bracket cube plus thrice a square means 5x upon y square into b y upon 5x plus 3 into a 5x upon y into y upon 5x bracket square plus y upon 5x bracket cube. We write here cube, then 5 cube is 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 into 5x into 5x. I write here square, not square, in the form of 5x and 5x because of it is cancelled here. Y into 5x, here is y square, so again y plus 3 into 5x upon y into y into 5x into 5x plus y cube upon 5 cube is 125x cube. Then cancel here, 5x cancel, y cancel, 5x cancel, here also y cancel. Then what is the remaining answer? 125x cube upon y cube plus 5 3 is 15x upon y plus 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125x cube. This is our last answer. Okay.